Good evening. Health professionals now say they're seeing a unique trend in flu cases.
This after we had an earlier than usual spike in cases around the Thanksgiving holiday. Brianna Malone joins us from the control room with more on this trend. And Brianna, it's somewhat good news, I guess.
That's right, Sean and Jen. Staff of LECOM say people are going the extra mile to remain healthy, but they should continue to do so despite flu cases dropping. The Director of Operations of LECOM Institute for Successful Aging, Jamie Babiak, says unique trends have taken place over the last few weeks than what is typically seen during flu season.
We definitely have seen things trend downward over the past couple weeks. November, like mid to end of November, was definitely a peak, which is earlier than we've seen in past seasons.
The director believes the early decline is due to an unusually early spike.
Usually holiday gatherings are kind of what kick things off for the year, so really this is kind of unique. So I don't know if it's because we saw a peak earlier in the season and maybe there is more to come.
She says another trend taking place is longer distribution of flu vaccines.
We had definitely September, October are definitely our heaviest, but it definitely trickled into November, December, probably more than it has in past years. Usually things cut off quite, strictly right in November-ish, but definitely saw people, and still even today, coming in for a flu or COVID vaccine.
Despite cases dropping, health experts say people should remain vigilant in maintaining good health habits.
We're kind of sick of the masking, we're sick of the social distancing, everyone who wants to get back to normal, but I also think we're probably testing a little bit more than we were in years past, because we're testing to find out what respiratory illnesses are out there, may it be flu, COVID, RSV, so we're probably testing for flu a little bit more than we used to also.
Babiak says people can get a flu or COVID vaccine or test Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and until 7 p.m. on Tuesdays. Jen?
All right, Brianna Malone in our control room. Thank you.